I do fail to introduce myself in my videos. My name is Denise. I'm a registered nurse. Currently, I don't think I ever mentioned this, but I'm doing a contract travel assignment, and I have like 3 weeks left into this assignment. So yeah, I've been doing it for a while. I don't really talk about it much because it's nursing. It's the same thing everybody else talks about. So yeah, I currently just trying to live life, just trying to do lots of hobbies, travel, because you can't let work just run you. You gotta run work. No, you gotta run your life. So I'm pretty much done with my face. I'm gonna take this off and hope for the best. Also on my lips, I didn't really show y'all, but I used the chestnut, like I mentioned earlier, the chestnut lip liner, and this ColourPop red lipstick or lippy sticks, and then I finished with the e.l.f. lip gloss. This is like the bomb.com. I have like 3 of these. This one is my favorite if I'm wearing like a lip liner and I wanted to kind of give me that like brown nude look, which was what I was going for with this, even though I had red under. So this, it legit, like, go buy it. It's like $6 at Ulta or literally any store that sells makeup. They should have this, like Walmart, Target, literally they have this. So I have 3 of these. I go between this and like a red one, and then I have an orange one that I haven't opened yet, but because I love this so much. So like I said, I also have a lot of returns to do, so we're gonna do that. It's literally 11:38 now, so I'm about to head out. Let me turn this light off because we don't really need it right now. Ooh, when you use a ring light and then you turn it off, you're like, oh my goodness, I need it, but you don't need it. You don't need it. As long as you got your sun, you do not need a ring light. Point blank, period. This is the end result in natural lighting.
Like I'm a soldier, family rest for my shoulder. Never see clear one.
I ended up going to Staples for my passport photo, and I didn't like the picture they took, and I looked at the picture and I just contemplated too much, and I did not like it. Sorry, my AC is really loud. I'm gonna go to UPS, then Kohl's, then Walmart, and then go home, because I'm not spending my whole day out here in this heat. It's literally 100 degrees. Like, is it this hot everywhere else, or is it just here? Because, like, what's going on? It says it's 91, but it feels like it's 100 degrees. When I first got in my car literally said 99 degrees. Like, it's crazy. Who's ready for winter? Because I'm kind of over this summer. It's been too hot. But yeah, guys, I'll talk to you guys when I probably get home. So I made it back home quick. So I went to CVS, like I said, and then CVS, the lighting was terrible, but the picture wasn't too bad. It's just the lighting was so bad. I would have gone with it. I think I still may go with it. So I'm using an app called ID Passport Photo.
Kind so wicked. Now I'm in tread carefully every day. See, yes, I did mind my business. See, I did mind my business.
Alright, y'all. So I did my photos. I took a lot, and I ended up using my big old Canon, plus my phone. So we'll see which one I end up going with, but it was a struggle. I have a headache. I'm about to eat and just relax because it's been a long day. It's literally almost 4 o'clock. Nevertheless, I hope you enjoyed coming along with me trying to figure out my passport photo. I hope y'all didn't think this was crazy. Yeah.